Today we're going to be looking at Elementor. I've never used this before. I usually use Next and View, and for the sake of trying Elementor, we will use local, which we can use to set up a website, a local WordPress install in just a moment, I hope. Let's call it Elementor test. Let's look at the advanced options. This is all fine. Preferred is fine. WordPress username is just admin and admin. That's all fine. This is WordPress multi-site. No. WordPress email. That's that's all of that is fine. This site will never go live, so all of this does not matter. It's now spinning up the stuff. Didn't take too long. Everything you can see is actually done by me in real time. This is mostly because this is just for educational purposes for myself, not for others. But yeah, you can see what like a full stack dev with, I don't know, like 7 years of experience, what this looks like if someone like me does this stuff. There's a poor conflict, yeah, that's right, because on my other account, on my real account, not the one I use for recording, there is actually a site running in local right now. So that's probably the problem, but that should be rectified pretty easily, I guess. With this set, use localhost, of course. What else? I don't know what. Maybe I missed the setting or something. Yeah, but local. So I can definitely recommend it. This is a free version that I'm using. I don't even know what's included in the pro version. It's very easy to copy sites, live sites from clients to your machine to do some changes that maybe break things, just so you don't have to change everything on the live server. Okay, stop the site, open the site. Let's see. That is Elementor test. This is just the basic theme. The admin interface should be just /admin, and it is. And then it is admin. We set this stuff before. I'm logging in right now. Yeah, you can save the password, I don't care. That's fine. Okay, and then we go to the plugins page, add a new plugin. Now we try to install Elementor. I've never used Elementor. I only heard things about it. Right now, yeah, I just want to see what it is. We will install just Elementor, even though this is insane, right? This looks like people use it a lot. But let's just install only Elementor, nothing else. Let's just see what it is, what it does, and how it works. As I said, I have no idea what it is. I just saw that some themes are based on it, or many of them more modern themes are based on it. There's like this WP Bakery page builder that I've seen in the wild before, and it looks kind of, well, a little dated, which is fine, of course, but people, it looks like people love Elementor. So what is this? While we wait, improved and redesigned version, header and footer builder to help you create dynamic headers and footers. Additional design blocks with ease. Planning arranges powerful drag and drop editor to give you complete design freedom and integrates with any WordPress theme. Alright. Well, let's not get ahead of ourselves, right? Let's just try the base thing first. While we wait, we can look at something that's always interesting. The pricing of this stuff. It is free. Okay. Play. Completely free. Trial free dummy site. Well, I don't know. And Elementor does have a pro pricing. The pricing is okay. $10 a month. $10 a month. 3000 Core Builder Free version, Pro Builder Essential, Pro Builder Advanced. So no idea what that shit means. That's fine. Let me activate Elementor. Let's get connected. Do I need this? Do I need this? It just forwarded me to this. It is active. Okay, that's fine. What to do now? Press an Elementor. Create a page. Let's not use any themes or anything with AI. We're not using AI right now. Okay. Use navigation. That's fine. All right. So let's say at first I want a grid. I want it to be okay. What do we put in here? Just a heading. Well, let's see. What I want to create is. Let's start with something else, right? What does this mean? Add a container. That's fine. Add a container above, right? Then I want to use a flex box, maybe. No grid, no. Just want to do like landing screen. Let's say we want on the one side text and on the other side an image. Okay. So okay. That's best done in a grid. I understand. Jesus Christ. That's not what I wanted. Like, how would I do this in the container layout? Drag a widget. What if I don't want a widget? I want it to be full width. Okay, which layers? A grid. All right. Yes, like this. And then, no, doesn't work. This is just to move it around, right? What if I want it to be full width? There's the pro stuff. Oh, okay. That's fine. Okay, then let's have an image on the left side, large or full. I don't know what full means. Choose an image. Insert from URL, that's fine. Let's just use a huge picsum. I can never, Lauren Pixum, that's right. Pixum.photos, that's right. And let's use one that's, I don't know, 2048 by 2048. That's completely fine. We'll use this, insert from URL. And then align left, doesn't make a difference, I think. Insert into post. Okay. That's just a resolution. And then here we'll have a text heading and it says, oh my cool portfolio site. All right. And then I just want to do this as a preview. All right. That does not work. Wait, view page. It's like it didn't save yet or something. Elementor 7. No idea why it says that up here. All right, like then let's delete this. I don't know what this is. Not publish. Okay, doesn't matter. View the page. Okay. Well, what if I wanted with Elementor? Oh, that's cool as well. To like I want it to be full screen, right? The container content width is a grid with okay height doesn't do anything. Columns 2, gaps 2, additional options. All right, advanced, sure. Okay, Elementor, make full width container. Full width page. Layout. Boxed. Content added to the container will use the full width. Well, this does not seem to be the case. Well, do you have to activate this? That's the image now. Okay, well, I want this, right? Layout, content width, full width. Boxed. That's interesting. No idea why this doesn't work. Well, as you can see, we probably would need to do some Googling and maybe watch a video or two to learn how this works. Okay, let's look at some other stuff. For instance, let's say I want one huge page, right? One extremely long page, like this. And then I can maybe have something here. Let's say it's a grid. No, I didn't want that. Globals, I don't know what that is. Google Maps, no, none of these. Okay, we want a grid. And then we have loads of images next to each other. That should be pretty easy, right? An image, another image, another image, like these. Something like would be very cool is like masonry, like, you know, masonry layout looks like this. And let's look at something, maybe there's a better picture. Yeah, something like this, right? It's like a grid, but all the elements are of different heights. You don't have to have the same height. And this is very popular for photographers and for they like to lay it out like this. And let's say we want to do this with Elementor. Also post build, yeah. We want this in the free version, obviously. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's so sick, dude. That's very cool. I like this a lot, actually. 2-column layout for immersive experiences. What does it mean then? What is this then? Let's try to find out what it is. A masonry gallery. Stratum widgets free. What kind of widgets do you have? Accordion. I'm only interested in masonry. Display the latest project and also create personal masonry or layouts, masonry gallery. All right. Then can we just add this to this? Can I just go here and do the plugins? No, that. A new plugin. Indeed it is. We install it. Doesn't have the best, 4.5 stars is pretty good, but only 10 reviews. Don't know what that is. Right, and then we go into Elementor. I probably have to activate the plugin first. Never forget, activate. And then we will check it here. Create a page. That's interesting as well. Where are my pages that I previously created? Settings, rule manager to home. And I can go to create the page. And then it's like 13. Wait. Posts. Hello world. What is this? To block editor. This is Oh, edit with Elementor. That's interesting. Okay, mostly delete this. And does the page have to have a header? Like, why can't I delete this? Written by admin and uncut the rest. All right, then these are the basic ones. These are the pro ones. And we have general. So link in bio. There it is. Okay, it's just edit, advanced decoding, advanced posts, advanced slider. Where's my masonry? Search widget, masonry, masonry gallery. Add this here. This is it, yeah? We add images. Well, alright, so https // pixum.photo. The first one is 200 by 300, right? That's the first we add. Does this work? If I do the preview, does it fill it with the pixum? Something? You can press Command S and still it's the old page. Like, how do I? This can go away. Yeah. We can leave this. How do I show the new page? If I do now, okay, it shows the page, right? Here we have not added anything. Select file, insert from URL, insert into post. This does not work apparently. Then we'll do it like this. Oh, no way, dude. It's the wrong Lauren Pixum dot photos. No, it was the wrong thing. Jesus. Oh, what is this? Look at this. Pixum dot photo redirects to Jesus. The hell. I mean, let's not investigate this now, but that's pretty crazy. Well, all right. Insert from URL like this. Insert into post. Well, what can I say? Works like a charm. Image URL, custom URL, insert into post. Okay. This does not seem to work at all. Maybe I need to download them first. I don't have any pictures downloaded right now, just for testing. I guess we can do that. Just download a couple. Save images. This. And then, I don't know. Well, someone, this is 200 by 200. Save images. Then, one that is like 400 by 300. Save images. Then one that is like, I'm sure there's a faster way to do this one that's 600 by 200. I don't know. I don't know what kind of photos photographers do. Right, so let's try this again. Hello world, edit with Elementor. Okay, let's do this again. Right, so here we select files. No idea where in the downloads, I guess, right? Okay. All of them open. All of them are in here. That's fine. Create a new gallery. I don't think I'm interested in that. Create a new gallery. No idea what that means. Insert. Ah, okay. And if I do now the preview, it doesn't show anything. It's something that I do not yet understand, but probably is a pretty minor thing. This does not work, but if I publish it, it does work. Right? Okay, and then we have this masonry layout. So yeah, I think probably maybe this is a good method to just build the website for a customer. You can ask him what he wants, and then you can just add it. You don't need a theme. What good is a theme then? Right? That's the question. That's the question I want to answer. Do you need a theme? What do you need it for? Yeah, well, that's the first look at Elementor. There's there's loads to learn, obviously, but it seems actually quite powerful. Right? All this stuff is free, and I think, yeah, even without paying for anything, if you have an idea of what you want to do, you don't need a theme. You can just do whatever you want. It should be fine. All right. Bye bye.